Yo, what's going on, guys? So today we're gonna do a market recap. I got 10 minutes before I go to work. Um, but yeah, so we have one alignment today. Morning session was so bad. So we're gonna take a look here. I actually left the house at 11:30 Eastern, and then was at the doctor's. I was just waiting for my alignment signal alert. And then what do you know? I woke up and then I took this trade here at 12:20. Now I know this is outside of my trading window, but hear me out here. You see how many times we're rejecting this overnight value area low here, this level? So if you guys watch my previous videos, I do have a tutorial on how to draw the overnight volume profile, because these levels get tapped every single session, every time, um, most of the time. Um, and so let's go over it. So today, this is what I got today. I went in with 5 contracts, micros at 12:20 p.m. Eastern time. And caught 150. I mean, not exactly on the dot. I got some little spread there, but um yeah, so let's go over it. So today, let me see. So let's bring this up right here. So I got my volume profile. Let me just draw it out. So we're gonna draw out the volume profile, fixed range volume profile from 6 p.m., right? 6 p.m. all the way till 9:29. Is that right? Okay. 9:29. Boom. Okay. Overnight volume profile 6 to 9 p.m. I mean 6 p.m. to 9:29 a.m. right before market open, and we got these levels going on here. So drew them out. Like, do you see this? So bad. So on market open, we bounced at the value area low, 9:30 candle, then bounced up to POC, and then just went straight down, right? So I want to show you guys something. I do have a video coming out for you, or I could just guide you to that video where I learned it from. But the 929, or inside of our volume profile here, we have the last candle of the volume profile closing inside of the value area, which is the 70%, right? 70% of the value area. And that means we have a neutral bias for the day. You know, price can go either way, and that's exactly what it did today. So even though it broke down, right, you know, we didn't have any signal here. I wouldn't have taken it anyways, but you know, I'm now a signal alignment trader. But you know, I like to have these levels out here just for confluence sometimes. um I'm gonna be uploading another video on the hourly volume profiles, which really help. So let's go on. You know, a session goes by, 11:30, I leave, and then, you know, I'm just watching the charts, and we keep on rejecting this overnight value area low. And then what do you have it? Boom. We have a signal alignment on the 1 minute time frame and the 2 minute time frame. On both charts, we have the chop filter 1 right here, this yellow, on both charts. This is the 1 minute chart, this is the 2 minute chart. And so we have chop 1, chop 1, chop 2, and then chop 2, chop filter 2. And so we have the alignment exactly at 12:20 p.m. Eastern time. And I got the alert on my phone, took it to the trade for 60 ticks, because that's my take profit. 60 ticks with a stop of 120 ticks. And yeah, that's about it for the day. We have a valid signal here. The real dot closed, white dot closed underneath the 200 EMA blue line, 100 EMA yellow line, and the white line VWAP. That calls for a valid trade, and this is a valid alignment signal. So I added this to the journal here if you want to check it out. I have everything detailed. Yeah, I unchecked this because it was outside of the time window, of course. But yeah, I couldn't help but see that, you know, every single time price in the AM goes sideways, we already know most of the time that PM or lunch will always have, the momentum, the trend, the basically it starts to trend in the PM or lunch after the morning session goes sideways. And so here, let me get out an example for you here. So I'm gonna do 1 hour. Let's do the 12 all the way to 11. Let's see where it bounces. Oh, what do you know? Okay, so we have a middle volume profile here going on. It's not really top heavy or bottom heavy. It's just in the middle. And then where does price close at? The 12, our last minute of the candle of our volume profile, closes inside of the value range, right? The value range. And so, okay, we don't know where price is going to go, but we do have a signal inside of it as well. And so if we draw, I'm going to draw this here. I'm going to do the top of the value area high of that 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. volume profile to the POC. And then as you can see, we bounce, and then look to the right here. We have a signal that just went right through the POC and it's an alignment, right? Okay, so how much room do we have until we touch the value area low? We have 123 ticks. Wow. So you can choose to hold it, but I like to do 66. So where does 2 minutes start? Okay, so this is our entry right here. And then so 60 ticks already hit, right? And if I keep holding down to the, wow, that's 188 ticks. Wow. 188 ticks, and it continues even lower. Look at that. So if I get that, oh my gosh, 1100 ticks. That's crazy. Okay. But yeah, this is what it's looking like for today. Hope you guys liked the video. I will be producing some more videos on how to do I have another video on how to spot your volume profile bias, what kind of volume profile shapes there are, and then hourly volume profiles. And then I'm going to show you another volume profile that's really good. But not as good at the hourly and also the overnight, but it's also another one that's really good too. But yeah, so keep a lookout on that. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, I'll leave my Discord down in below description. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Yeah.